Hi, Rupa. Good afternoon. Welcome to our December 5, 2023 class. Happy birthday, Rupa. So let's move our pet dog all the way to the number 5 because it is December 5 today. And here, when you look up, December 5 is a Tuesday. How are you feeling today? Are you feeling tired, sleepy, happy, sad, scared, or angry? How are you feeling today? You are feeling happy. So let's put your happy picture there because you are happy today because it is your birthday. And let's proceed to our next slide. What is the weather outside your house? Outside the school, it is a sunny weather today. So let's put sunny weather. Let's put the sunny weather here on top. The weather today is a sunny weather, and when it is a sunny weather, Mr. Sun is up in the sky with all the clouds. Now let's look at our slide for the days of the week. So today is what again? It's December 5, and when you look up, what day is it? What day of the week is it? It's Tuesday. Very good. So let's get our today is arrow and let's put it on Tuesday. So today is a Tuesday. And yesterday, what day was yesterday? Yesterday, we did not have class because Teacher Sarah had to talk to all the teachers and also we had to check the school because of all the earthquakes. So what is the day yesterday? Starts with the letter M. It's Monday. Very good. Yesterday was Monday. And how about tomorrow? Tomorrow will be what? Wednesday. Very good. So today is a Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday and tomorrow will be a Wednesday. Good job. Now let's look at our next slide. And we have our sight words. Very good. And sight words are words that we what? Yes, we just remember or we memorize how to say that word. That's the word here. Very good. The first one is the word here. Wait lang po. Teacher Sarah will just draw a rectangle. Our first word is the word here. Very good. And when we have H-E-R-E together, that's the word here. Good job. Then the next word, we have A and N together. That's the word and. Good job. And the next one, we have I and S together. It's the word it. Very good. Next one, we have our next sight word. It's S-E-E together. It's the word see. Very good. Then here we have the word a. Good job. The letter A. Next one, we have a letter I. This is I, the sound that we read it as I. Very good. So let's read it again together. We have here, an, is, see, a, and I. Very good, Rufa. Good job. So can you please get a piece of paper or maybe if you have your whiteboard and whiteboard marker with you, let's practice writing our letter for today. And that letter makes the it sound. It's the letter I. Very good. Let's start with the capital letter I. We start at the top, make a straight line down. Line up top and line in the bottom. That's how we write our letter I. Very good. And now let's make lowercase letter A. Straight line down to the bottom and let's make a dot on top. That's our letter Letter I. Very good. Did you write also on did you write also on your paper? Very good. So how about we write some more? Let's practice some more, okay? Together. Straight line down. Make a line on top and a line in the bottom. We have our letter I. Very good. And then lowercase letter I. Straight line down and a dot on top. That's lowercase letter I. Good job. We have our letter I. The sound of I is very good. So can you please practice some more your letter I? Already done? Very good. So now it's time for us to practice our spelling words or our write the room words. Okay? Are you ready? Did you get your book and start and already have the work on this page? Okay, can you please get your marker? Okay, the first word that we have is if. I and F together. That we read it as if. Very good. I, oopsies. We have letter I and the letter F. It's the word if. Very good. I think you cannot see teacher Sarah's work. Okay, let's write it again. Letter I and the letter F. We have the word if. Very good. Next one po. Next word, number 2. What is that word? If. Oh. Two letter L's together, it's the sound oh. If. Oh. The word is ill. Very good. I-L-L. When you are not feeling well, you are ill. Another word for ill is sick. Ill. Next one, number 3. Number 3. The word is in. In. Mm, in. That's another sight word. In is when you put inside. In. Okay, already done. Next one, number 4. It's in. In. Is what we have inside our markers so that we can write I-N-K, ink. So remember, when you trace your words, you always start at the top, okay? Okie dokie. Next word, number 5. That's I. N and N together, it's the N sound. I. N. In. The word is in. Very good. Let's write it together. I-N and N. The word is in. Okay, next one, number 6, we have if or I and S that we read it as if. Very good. I and S is if. Next one, let's do number 7. We have I and T together. If the word is it. Very good. Another sight word. It. Okay, next one, number 8. The word is k, n. K, n. The word is kin. Very good. Kin is the baby of the mommy and the daddy or the family members. Kin. You are the kin of your parents. In. Kin. Next one, we're already on number correct. Number 9. And the word is The word is rim. R, e, m. The word is rim. It's the edge of a cup or the edge of a circle. That's a rim. Last word, number 10. It's ip. Ip. The word is tip. Very good. Oopsies. Uh-oh. What happened to teacher Sarah's screen? Ip. If the word is sip. Very good. Are you already done writing your words? Okay, let's read them together, please. I and F is if. I and L and L. Remember, they make the L sound. If the word is ill. Good job. I and N together is in. In. Next one we have it, ink. Very good. Number 5. We have N and N together. That makes the N sound. In. The word is in. Good job. Next one, number 6. We have the word in. The word is in. Very good. Next one, we have the letter I and the letter T. Another sight word. It's the word. Good job. Next, we have I. Mm. The word is pin. Good job. Next one, number 9. E, mm. R, e, The word is rim. Very good. And lastly, number 10. E, The word is tip. Okie dokie. Good job, Rupa. So now that we're already done with this page, I think it's time for us to get our alphabet reader book. Okay, trace your name first. And let's trace the capital letter I together. Straight line down to the bottom, line on top, and line in the bottom. We have capital letter I. Now let's make lowercase letter I. Straight line down and a dot on top. That's our lowercase letter I. So before you start coloring, how about we read our sentences together first? Let's read together. Here is an igloo. Okay, let's read it again. Here is an igloo. Very good. Next one. Let's read the next page. Here is an iguana. Very good. One more time po. Here is an iguana. Very good. Don't color yet. We still have 3 pages to read. Let's read together. Here is an word. Here is an word. Very good. Next one po. Let's read the next page. Here is an instrument. Okay, again po. Here is an instrument. And last one. Here is an invitation. Very good. Here is an invitation. Very good. Good job. Okay, you can pause the video now and you can start coloring your alphabet reader I book. Okay, all done? Okie dokie. How about we read again our sentence before we proceed to the book again? Let's read together. Here is an igloo. Very good. Next one. Here is an iguana. Very good. How about the next pages? Here is an inchworm. Next page po. Here is an instrument. Very good. And last page. Here is an Invitation. Very good. Okay, you can pack away your alphabet reader book and maybe you can practice reading with mommy or daddy. Or maybe you can practice reading with your kuya, the alphabet reader. Okie dokie. Now let's proceed to our font maze book. So you have to, what do you have to do? You have to trace your name first. Very good. Practice tracing your name. Okay, and let's get our dabber. And what color dabber do you want to use? Okay, that's a very nice color. Teacher Sarah will be using purple because that's my favorite color. And what letter are we going to dab? Very good. Capital and lowercase I. We're going to help the iguana reach the instrument in the bottom. So let's dab all the letter I. So when you dab po, you just press and wiggle, okay? Because if you dab too much, the book will get destroyed. So you're going to dab gently all the capital and the lowercase letter I. Okay, Teacher Sarah is already done. How about you? Already done? Very good. So did you look for all the letter I? And did the iguana reach the instrument? Very good. So how about we count how many letter I's? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. We have 15 letter I. So now that we're already done with this, how about we proceed to the next page and let's practice our letter I's, capital and lowercase letter I. But first, we have to trace the name. That's correct. So let's trace the letter I when we're done with our names. Capital letter I. And our lowercase letter I. Very good. And now, all the capital letter I's, we're going to paste here on top. And all the lowercase letter I's in the bottom. So please be careful with your scissors when you're cutting, okay? And also put a small dot of glue only so that your book will not get sticky. So teacher will just color all the yellow eyes, all the capital letter I's yellow. And the lowercase letter I will color it green. Okay, all the capital letter I's in yellow and all the lowercase letter I in green. So the sound of I is I. I. Already done with it? Okie dokie. What letter do we have here? Letter I. Good job. And what's the sound of the letter I again? The sound of I is I. Good job. Now we still have 2 pages left for today. Let's proceed with our beginning sound. Okay? Trace your name po. And get your crayon. And let's answer together. Okay, teacher will still be using color purple for this. You can choose any color that you like. Let's start with intersection. Intersection. Does it begin with the letter I? It. Yes, so let's color it po. Try to color inside the black lines. Okay, next one. Pig. Pig. Does it have the it sound in the beginning? No. How about instrument? Instruments. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes, it does. It begins with our letter I. Okay, next one. We have our laptop. Laptop. Does it begin with the letter I? No. How about itch? Itch. Itch. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes. How about ring? Ring. Ring. Does ring begin with the letter I? Ring? No. How about ukulele? Ukulele. Does ukulele start with the letter I? No. How about gum? Gum. Does gum start with the letter I? Gum? No. How about interview? Interview. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes. How about apple? Apple. Does apple begin with the letter I? No. How about ink? Ink. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes. How about iguana? Iguana. Does it begin with the letter I also? Yes. How about igloo? Igloo. Does igloo begin with the letter I? Yes. How about invitation? Invitation. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes. How about inchworm? Inchworm. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes, it does. Okie dokie. Let's review what are the words that start with the letter I. We have I for intersection, I for instrument, I for itch, I for interview, oopsies, I for ink, I for iguana, I for igloo, I for invitation, and I for inchworm. All these words begin with the letter I. That's correct. Now, let's proceed to our last page. So, it's still the beginning sound. So, start with your tracing the name. Then, let's trace our capital letter I. Then, the lowercase letter I, capital again, and the lowercase letter I. When you're done, can you please cut your pictures po and prepare your glue? Okay, let's answer together. Let's start with invitation. Invitation. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes, so let's put it here on top. Next one, we have a net. Net. Does net begin with the letter I? No, so it should be in the bottom. Next one, leaf. Leaf. Does leaf begin with the letter I? No, it starts with the letter L, so it should be here in the bottom. Next one, igloo. Igloo. Does it begin with the letter I? Yes, so let's put it here on top. Next one po, we have hippo. Hippo. Does hippo begin with the letter I? No, it starts with the letter H, so it will be here in the bottom. Next one, goat. Goat. Does goat begin with the letter I? No, so it should be here in the bottom again. How about iguana? Iguana. Does iguana begin with the letter I? Iguana? Yes, very good. It also begins with the letter I. And you know what? Teacher Sarah is missing the picture of ink. Ink. Does ink begin with the letter I? Yes, it does. So if you have the picture of the ink, you have to put it here. So let's review what are what's the sound of the letter I. The sound of I is I. Very good. I for invitation. I for igloo. I for iguana. And last one, the picture that you have here, it's the I for ink. Very good, Rufa. So we are already done with our work today. So you can pack away everything and I'm going to give you a gift. So teacher will give you the snowflake girl friend. Okay, good job, Rufa. Enjoy your day today, and teacher Sarah will see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.